So I've had a leak in the thermostat housing of my 2008 Chrysler Sebring. By the way, guys, I'm sorry for not uploading much lately. It's just I got that new car and, you know, it's new, so it doesn't break. But I was changing out the thermostat housing, and something I'd always noticed was the car took longer to warm up lately. And I had changed the thermostat that I knew about. I guess this car has two thermostats, because when I pulled the housing, there's another one down there. And here's the other half of it. It came out in two pieces. So I guess it was broken apart. And I'm probably just not stopping any coolant flow at all. So I'd say that's probably the reason my car was warming up so slowly. And I started this last night. I didn't realize what this was. It fell out, you know, into my hand when I was taking the housing off, and I was like, where does this piece go? And I was looking for this piece online, like, what is this thing? And it's half of the thermostat. It's broken. So that explains that. So I actually have a replacement for that. So I'm gonna slap it in there, and then I'm gonna clean everything up first, and I'm gonna slap it in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the housing back on. And I guess I'll fix two problems, and that'll be good.